cause me stress. Show no panic, I'm just born in a dress. And I know that I'm older, I'm done. I'll do what I want. I'll do what I want. Spending a Sunday at the gym, trying to fit in. Counting the days until I meet my future husband. I try to be kind to myself. I said, girl, you got this. A whole lot of ticking, not enough time, not enough time. A whole lot of sweat for a trophy ride, for a trophy ride. The clock keeps ticking, still running out of time.
All right, guys, it's lunchtime. I'm going to have these Wassa crackers. These are in my pantry. Brittany loves them. I'm going to do 3 of them for 90 calories. And then I'm going to add one of these. I'm going to divide it into thirds, the avocado mash. And I have some turkey breast here. So let's prepare lunch. Here's the Wassa crackers with the avocado on top. I did cut up a tiny bit of cucumber that I had left over. And I'm going to top this with some turkey breast. A couple slices on each one. I think I did 3 slices on each so that I get my good protein in my day here. So I can stay full because we are going to take the dogs to the park in a little while. So I'm going to top each one of these with a little cucumber slice just to make it pretty. I like to eat food when I do that looks nice. Does anybody else? If you do, leave a picture of a cucumber down in the comment section. Little fun game. All right, guys, so this is lunch. I'm going to go enjoy, and we'll see you before we go to the park. All right, guys, so we are going to go take the dogs on a little hike. I'm wearing my Stevie Nicks sweatshirt that I got from the concert. Nice and cozy. And black leggings, and wearing these cute sneakers I got at Walmart. Aren't they cute? Okay, so I want to talk to you about my current eating plan. As you all know, if you follow me, this may be too much information for some of you, but I did have some postmenopausal bleeding. So I went to the doctor and had a full exam, and I'm scheduled for an ultrasound and a biopsy next week. Actually, the ultrasound is this week, biopsy next week. We talked about hormones, we talked about my diet, we talked about the weight gain that I've had over the year of menopause. We talked about a lot of things. She thinks that it could be a couple things. It could be one, that my body just decided to have one last hurrah, one last rogue period, as she called it. She also thinks that it could be hormonal. It could be related to my diet. It could be that my calories are very low. It could be the soy. It could be just a gazillion things. I've recently started a business. I have a family that I'm estranged with. Like, there's just a lot of things going on in my life. So it could be that, or it could be something clinical, which I'm praying to God it's not. But we'll see what happens. But anyway, we were talking about diet, and I did talk to her about Optavia, and she wasn't overly concerned, but she did ask how long I've been on it. And you know, you have to be honest. You can't lie. So I told her since 2018, I have been on it, on and off, but most, if you picked like a majority of a percentage, it would be that. She seems to think that it's just not sufficient to carry me through this stage of life. She said the calories are low. I'm constantly on the go. I don't sit behind a desk. Sorry, there's a car that went by. And she talked to me about why I have food aversions. Like, why am I afraid to eat a potato or rice? And I told her, like, I feel like those things just pack the weight on. But then she said to me, how has the program you've been on been benefiting you all this time? And it really put some thought into my head. It really hasn't. It really hasn't. It has made me spend money. It's just what I'm comfortable with. We talked about addiction. We talked about so many things. Her suggestion to me was to just eat regular food. Just do it. Try to get, you know, my hormones leveled out. Try to get my estrogen, like all these different things, you know, soy and the estrogen connection and all of that. So it's now become more than, you know, a diet for my son's wedding. It has now become somewhat of a health thing, which really changes perspective a lot. And I pray that everything's okay. I feel like it will be. I just have to really buckle down on what I'm doing. So I figured while this little thing is going on, I'm just going to eat healthy, see where it takes me. Then I can have that conversation with her and say, see, here's what happened. Or see, here's what happened. Or hooray, or boo, or whatever. So I don't know. Thursday I go for my ultrasound. The following week is the biopsy. So, you know, obviously I'll keep you guys posted. But in the meantime, you're seeing what I'm eating today. This is my second thing of 40 ounces of cold water, staying away from the diet soda. Brought an apple with me to have. We're going to take the dogs for a walk at the park. That's why, that's why I'm wearing this outfit. I'm excited to get some exercise in. It's quite cool here today, but not horrible. So I'm wearing a hat and I have to go clean out the back of my truck. But like, look how cute the house came out. It came out so cute. Let me show you this side. Hold on, I'm going to show you. Here's the final look. The lights are actually still on. I don't know why. I guess we forgot to shut them off last night. But aren't these little scarecrows cute? Hey, Britt. Britt's coming too. Hi, Jess.
A fine good afternoon.
Where are we going?
We're going to the park.
Yes, with the girls. All right, we're gonna go.
All these women, not just the girls, all of the
women.
2
dogs and 2 women. I was just telling everybody.
Petunia's staying here, even though she'd probably walk with us.
Snack time. Look, here, Pepe. Macintosh apple.
There she goes. Yeah, see, it was too big.
Nope, she spit it out.
What are you looking for?
Pepe, right there.
So good. Look at you hanging out. Are you cozy, Paisley? Paisley's tired. How about you, Mom? Hello, Angel. We're leaving Lidl. Got a bag of stuff. We're gonna be making a pot of chili tonight. So excited. Going to be using ground turkey, organic tomato basil marinara sauce, beans, and I'm not going to have any pasta. So let's get home and make that. All right, guys. So I cut up some onion and I'm sauteing it in the pot with a little bit of cooking spray. And then I'm going to use some 96% lean ground turkey. I have the chili seasoning, a jar of kidney beans, and some organic tomato basil sauce. Simple, right? So after I cook the chili, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sour cream. This is full fat sour cream. This is a half a tablespoon, so I'm going to use 2 of them to equal 1 full tablespoon right on top. And oh boy, what a treat. I haven't had something like this in forever. I'm really looking forward to the beans and just overall taste of everything. And I have to tell you, so far, I feel amazing. Energy and positive mindset. Here we go. All right, guys, so that was the start of the chili. Here's the end result. This is 1 cup using a measuring spoon. So there's ground turkey, beans, onions, the organic marinara sauce, and a tablespoon of sour cream. This is dinner. I may have a small little salad on the side, but as of right now, I'm not anticipating it. So let's take a bite. So good. I missed beans. I'm excited. All right, guys. So I don't know if I'm going to have any kind of dessert, although I do have something in mind. So I will see you. If this doesn't end here, I will see you at dessert time. All right, who's ready for dessert? Me! So we're going to use some Reddi-wip, fat-free and sugar-free. This is fat-free and sugar-free Fage yogurt and some sugar-free Jell-O pudding instant cheesecake flavor. So I am going to weigh this out on my food scale just to make sure that I don't go overboard, right? Because nothing here is prepackaged. This is all me making little recipes and trying to eat healthy. So 1 serving of this fat-free Greek yogurt into my beautiful glass here. And after several attempts to get it perfect, I had to remove just a little bit. I mean, I could have left it in there, right? But again, I'm just trying to do things the right way and go by serving sizes. After that, I'm going to zero out my food scale again, and we're going to slowly add in the cheesecake Jell-O pudding mix. This is going to be 4 grams. You could add whatever you want. I just didn't want it overly cheesecakey flavored, so that's why I stuck to a small amount. Zero out the food scale, and here comes that whipped cream. When you add the whipped cream and the pudding and the yogurt all together, guys, apparently it takes like the inside of a cheesecake. And so I'm mixing it up really, really well. And I truly think if I would have left this in my refrigerator overnight so that the flavors could really marry together, it may have been just a little bit better. But guys, it was really good. And I'm going to do a taste test for you as soon as I show you how it comes out. So I'm going to mix this up really well. I'm going to head out into the dining room and we are going to sit down together and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful dessert. I found this recipe actually on a YouTube channel. Please forgive me. I can't remember the girl's name. But she follows Weight Watchers, and I thought this was so creative. So you have fat-free yogurt, you have sugar and fat-free cheesecake-flavored Jell-O pudding, and a little bit of sugar and fat-free whipped cream. And you mix it all around, and it tastes like cheesecake. I have a spatula so I can get it all out, but it reminds me so much if you make a cheesecake in that graham cracker crust. This tastes just like the filling. And I can only imagine that if I left this in the refrigerator overnight and covered it, it would probably be amazing. So we'll have to try this again, and I may make a little pie out of it or whatnot, but it's really good, you guys. And this will bring me to the end of the day. I feel so good. That walk we did was almost 4 miles. I just feel amazing. So that's my day. I hope this continues because I have to get everything straightened out. And you know I'll keep you posted on that. All right, guys. So remember, we could do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. And we are doing it together. Whatever plan you're on, however you're doing it, just stay focused, okay? I'll see you all in my next video. Oh, actually, we have weigh-in day coming up on Monday, so don't forget about that. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.